In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music on VLC Player step by step, whether you just want to quickly play songs, build a playlist, or add music files properly inside VLC. VLC is one of the most popular free media players in the world, and once you know these simple methods, managing and playing music becomes incredibly easy. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's start with the quickest and easiest way to add music on VLC Player, which is the drag and drop method. Open VLC Media Player on your computer. Then open your File Explorer or Finder where your music files are stored. You can select a single music file, multiple songs, or even an entire folder. Simply drag those files and drop them directly onto the VLC window. As soon as you release them, VLC will automatically start playing the music. This method is perfect if you just want to play something quickly without changing any settings. Now let's move on to a slightly more advanced method, which is useful if you want more control. Open VLC Player, and from the top menu, click on Media. From here, click on Open File if you want to add a single music file, or Open Folder if you want to add multiple songs at once. Browse to the location where your music is stored, select the file or folder, and click Open. VLC will then load the music and start playing it. This method is helpful if you prefer using menus instead of drag and drop. Next, let's talk about using the playlist feature in VLC, which is great for organizing your music. With VLC open, go to the top menu and click View, then select Playlist. You can also click the playlist icon at the bottom of the VLC window. Once the playlist window is open, you can add music by clicking Media at the top and choosing Open File or Open Folder. You can also drag and drop music files directly into the playlist window. Once your songs appear in the list, simply double-click any track to start playing it. This is ideal for creating a simple music playlist inside VLC. Now, if you're working with media conversion or want to manage audio formats, VLC also gives you profile options. For example, when converting media, you can go to Media, choose Convert or Save, add your file, and in the Convert window, select the Profile dropdown under Settings. From there, you can choose Audio MP3 or another audio format depending on your needs. While this isn't required just to play music, it's useful if you want VLC to handle audio files in a specific format. Finally, for simple everyday music playback, VLC works perfectly as a lightweight music player. Just open VLC, open the playlist window, add your music files or folders, and play your songs with a double click. VLC will remember recently played files, making it even easier to access your music next time. And that's it. You now know multiple ways to add music on VLC Player, from quick drag and drop to playlists and advanced options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.